Welcome to the Medalist Club, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Hobe Sound, Florida. Surrounded by stunning nature preserves, a world-class amenities, and renowned Greg Norman designed golf course, this private community offers a lifestyle of unmatched luxury and leisure. As we approach the beautifully designed clubhouse, you'll see the Medalist is more than just a golf community. It's a place where every detail is crafted for comfort and exclusivity. Step inside to discover the warmth of the Australian pub, a favorite gathering spot for residents to unwind, enjoy a meal, and connect. Whether you're looking for a casual dining or a drink after a round of golf, this spot offers the perfect atmosphere for both. Medalist caters to every facet of your wellness. For fitness enthusiasts, the club features not only one, but two fully equipped gyms. Whether you're lifting weights or focused on your cardio, you'll find everything you need to stay in peak condition. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, Medalist offers a luxurious spa experience. Indulge in a massage, unwind in the steam room, or pamper yourself with a manicure and pedicure, all without leaving the comfort of your community. With premier tennis courts just steps away, you can work on your game or enjoy a friendly match with your neighbor. It's all part of the active and engaging lifestyle the Medalist provides. Now, let's take a ride through the crown jewel of the community, the Greg Norman designed golf course. Considered one of the finest in the country, the Medalist course offers challenging play in a breathtaking setting. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game, the lush greens and scenic fairways will captivate you. Here at the Medalist, you don't just live, you thrive. From world-class golfing and fitness to dining and spa treatments, this is more than a community, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're considering making it a permanent home or seeking a perfect luxury retreat, Medalist offers the privacy, security, and elegance you deserve. For more information on the Medalist and the homes within the Medalist or the surrounding area, please reach out to us at Living in Hobe Sound at Coldwell Banker, 772-773-6701, or you can always email us at livinginhopesound@gmail.com. Talk to you soon.